So total number of elements is 110. Total number of non-metals are
And 24.
24.
24.
So how many are left? 6. This is 3, 7, 1,
Yes.
8. Carry 1. So 86. So total number of metals
R86.
are 86. Is the idea clear? So what is
Yes.
the total number of metals? Total number of metals is 86.
6.
Okay. Now read again. Read from physical properties. Rupali, turn on your video and then read.
Okay, sir. Actually, here no electricity, na. That's why.
Okay, that's not a big issue. Okay. Read
Physical
from.
properties.
Okay, I
We
can.
generally
Okay,
look
okay.
for.
Rupali. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, read it now.
We generally look for a metal when we need a strong material. This
Okay.
is because metals are in general hard and strong.
Yes, we
Some examples
know
of
that
metals
metals are hard and they
and
are
strong.
strong. Yes. Now,
Some examples of metals are potassium means K, calcium means Ca, sodium means Na, magnesium means Mg, aluminium means Al, iron means Fe, zinc means Zn, tin means Sn, copper means Cu, mercury means Hg,
mercury means
silver means
Hg. Okay.
Hg,
Okay. So,
silver means
yes, silver means Ag, gold Au, platinum Pt. So, these are some examples of the most commonly used metals. These are most
commonly.
commonly these are most commonly used metals. Is that clear? Okay, can you tell me what is
Yes.
this foil made up of? Can you tell me what is this foil made up of?
Metal.
Yes, it is made up of aluminium. What is it made up of?
Oh, aluminium.
Yes, it is made. Can you tell me what is this copper made up of? Hey, what is this wire made up of? Sorry, this wire is made up of copper. Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Can you tell me what is this wire made up of? Can you tell me what is
copper.
this? Yes, this wire is also made up of
Copper.
copper. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just wait for some time. You got to do the recording. So, okay. Now, yeah, read from here. Rupali, read from here.
Metal.
Yes.
Metals. Metals have the following general properties.
Okay.
They are generally hard, strong solids. For examples, aluminium, iron, zinc, tin, and copper.
Okay.
They are
So,
strong
see,
enough to bear.
metals are generally hard and strong. I just told you metals are generally hard and strong. So,
Strong.
they are strong enough to bear heavy loads. Okay, they have a high tensile strength. Now suppose you have a metal wire and you have a wire made up of mud. Which one will be stronger? Metal,
Yes,
right?
metal one.
Will the mud one be stronger? No, the mud one will break. What will happen to the mud one? It will break.
It will break.
Is that clear? Suppose you
Yes.
have, can you make a wire out of plastic? You can always make a wire out of plastic. But will that be as strong as the metal? No.
No.
See these cables are made up of metal, right?
Oh.
They are not made up of plastic. Is that clear? So they have
Yes.
high tensile strength. Okay, read from exceptions.
Exceptions.
Yes.
Sodium and potassium are soft solid which can be put with a knife.
No,
And
it is not
mercury
cut which can be cut with a knife. So see, you can cut sodium and potassium with a knife directly. Okay, so you can only cut a substance if that substance is a soft substance. Suppose you can cut a paper, right? What can you do? You can cut a paper.
paper.
You can cut banana. So you can only cut substances which are soft. You cannot cut substances which are hard. Is that clear?
Hard. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So sodium and potassium, just wait. Just wait. So sodium and potassium. Okay, so sodium and potassium are soft solids which can be cut with a knife, and mercury is a liquid. Have we seen mercury in thermometer?
Yes.
Yes. So mercury is a liquid. It can take the shape of any substance in any object or any container in which we keep them. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
They,
read point number 2.
they have a luster known as metallic luster.
Okay. What do we
For
mean by
example,
luster? Have we seen gold?
yes,
Does gold shine?
yes,
Okay. Have we seen copper?
yes,
Does copper shine?
no.
Hey, copper shines.
Yes,
You
copper shine, but not
not
no.
all the time, yes. When the sediments, when the
Huh.
copper becomes dark in color or black in color, in
Huh.
that case only it does not shine. But copper actually
Yes.
shines.
Oh.
Okay, so copper shines. So this metallic shine, see, is it shining? Is it
So
shining? Is it
yes,
shining? Okay,
sir.
so this is shining. So copper shines. Does your ornaments that you wear, does they shine? They also shine. So metals
Yes.
shine. That means metals have a metallic luster. Luster means metals shine in their own way. Okay? Okay. Does
Yeah.
does
Okay.
coal shine? Does coal shine?
No.
So coal is made up of carbon. Does carbon shine? No, carbon doesn't shine. Is that clear?
No.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
now metals are sonorous. Then read. Oh, no, no,
Metals
no, no,
are
no, no. Read this
sonorous.
one. For example, aluminium. Yeah, read from here.
For example, aluminium, iron, zinc, copper, silver, and gold are all lustrous. Such metals can be polished too.
Are all lustrous, not lustrous. Okay, they are all
Oh,
lustrous.
lustrous.
And metals which are lustrous, they can be polished. So we don't have any example of metal which are not lustrous. We have example of metals. We have example of metals which are not hard, which are soft like sodium and potassium. We have exceptions, but we don't have an exception here. Okay, all metals are lustrous. Okay, next.
Okay. Metals are sonorous.
Okay,
When when struck, they produce a sound called a metallic sound or metallic clink.
okay,
Recall the
have you heard ghonti? Have you heard of
yes,
ghonti? Have you heard of kortal?
yes,
How do it sound? Tung 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 tung, right?
yes,
That means they have a
yes,
sharp, metallic sound.
yes,
When you strike a metallic plate, they make a sharp metallic sound. Tung
yes,
tung.
yes,
That is known as sonorous. So metals are sonorous. Sonorous means they make a metallic clink or a metallic sound. Okay. Now
okay.
recall the ringing of a bell or clink of coins. Okay. Number 4. Read.
Metals are malleable. In other words, they can be beaten or rolled into sheets.
Okay. See.
Aluminium.
Can you make a thala? Can you make a thin plate of thala out of coal? Can you make a thin plate of thala out of coal?
Yeah.
Thala out of coal. How will you make a thin thala out of coal? Is it
No,
possible?
no, no, sir, no.
Can you make a coal foil? Can you make a
No,
coal foil? No.
no, no.
That means metals can be beaten. You can make a gold foil.
Yes,
Okay, you can make a gold foil, but you cannot make a coal foil. That means metals can be beaten and metals can be rolled into sheets. Is that clear?
yes, sir.
So metals can be beaten and metals can be rolled into sheets. This property, when you beat a metal and then it rolls into sheets, is known as its malleable property or its malleability. Is that
Malleable
clear?
stone.
We have already seen aluminum foils. We can make
Yes,
sheets of iron, copper, silver. See, sheets of silver are used in making silver ornaments. They are. Have you heard of silver thali,
yes,
rupali thali?
no,
Okay. When you go to a gold shop, if you ask them that you want a plate made out of silver, they can give you one. Is that clear?
yes,
Okay.
yes,
So it can be beaten or rolled into thin sheets. Common examples are the silver foil used to decorate sweets, right? Have you seen some silver color on some sweets?
yes, sometimes.
Yes. And aluminum foil used to pack foodstuff. Okay, we have seen aluminum foil and we have also used aluminum foil. Is that clear? Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
today is the first day of our online class on chapter 6, metals and non-metals. Okay, so
Okay.
are you having any kind of doubt in this part?
No, sir.
Okay, so remember the things that we have learnt is metals. Metals are hard, metals
Strong.
are strong. That means metals have good tensile strength. Is that
Strength.
clear? Okay, this is the first
Yes.
one we learned. Second, we learned that metals I have luster. That means metals shine. Third point, we learned that metals are sonorous. Metals are sonorous, that is they create
Sonorous.
a metallic clink. Is that clear?
Clean.
Fourth point, we learned
Yes, sir.
that metals are malleable. That is they can be drawn, they can be beaten into sheets. They can be beaten into sheets. Are we clear
Sheets.
about these points?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we had an exception only, that is sodium and potassium. They are an exception of point 1. Sodium and potassium are soft metals. Okay, they can be
Yes.
cut with a knife. Is that clear? Is the idea
Yes, sir.
clear? Okay, there are other
Yes.
properties of metals also. We will do this on the next day.
Yes.
So, are you having any
Okay.
problem understanding the topic for today?
No, sir.
Was it crystal clear?
Yes.
Okay, are you having any kind of network issue or visibility problem?
No,
Okay.
sir. No.
Okay, so our class is over for today. We will
Thank
see
you,
you
sir.
in next class. Okay, and tell all of your friends to join in the next class so that all of
Okay.
them can learn and understand in this COVID situation. Okay,
Okay, sir.
bye bye.
Thank you. Bye, sir.
Okay.